Good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. A moment of great pride, the anthems. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
I'm going to pick out Yuto Nagatomo. He may not be the biggest, but nobody has a bigger heart. And for courage, stamina, and that winning mentality, very few can better him.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. So it's away we go then. Ito goes pulsing down that left-hand side. Played into the... and the shot! Worth a try. Shame about the outcome.
Oh, that's fantastic improvisation he showed there. Adjusted himself very quickly, but it's rare that they come off.
Brown. Johnson. Johnson gets across to intercept that. Morrison. Nicholson. Jamaica finding their passes. Oh, he's burst through. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Yoshida did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Kamada, done delicately. That'll be a throw. Brown. He's had a shot! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Morrison. Brown. for Morrison. Stands up to it well and emerges with the ball.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Pinnock. Nicholson. Gets his pass away. Played into space out wide. Nicholson proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. And the danger is cut out. Pinnock.
Well, Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and suppress those wide opposition players.
That's been cut out, well played. Bailey. Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him. Ito. But it has been just one side doing all of the early probing.
Yeah, it's a good start, Peter, and they look hungry for goals, and they'll be aware of having to capitalise in such a good spell.
Shifted upfield. Nagatomo. Kamada. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
He had a chance to offload that left, so I think he's going to have to swallow his medicine on this one.
Move forward and quickly so. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Opts for safety. So a third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. Ito. The pressing's intense and it's paid off. Now who's going to be first to this? Morrison. Now it's Bailey. Oh, that's neat. That's a smashing touch to get him away. Kamada. Over to the left.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach.
And he's there to get it away. It'll be a throw-in. Nagatomo. He's making a real surge on the left. And it's Nagatomo. Lovely bit of skill. Chance! And he's there to clear it. Pinnock. Goes forward. Played back to the goalkeeper. Yoshida. And it's played forward. Turns back here, probably the best option. Sends it forward. Bailey. Brown. Getting on for a third of the way through the game. Oh, he's bustling. Antonio! That's a fine save.
Antonio really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Kamada. Well, that is one way to stop him. Morrison. That's Antonio. Oh no, no circumventing this opponent.
Antonio really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
Now this is an adventurous run down that left-hand side. Kamada. Endo. And that's aimed into the middle. Tries to get it clear. That'll be a throw-in. Kamada. He's had a hit! Another chance! And that has fair fizzed.
Oh, the contact was as crisp as it comes. The direction was the issue.
Played out wide into space. Ito. Almost halfway and still no goals. Now it's Doan. There's the shot! And Johnson. Brown. Bailey. Antonio. Looking for the runner. Kamada. And it's Nagatomo. Ito. And it's Nagatomo. Ito tries looking up for options on the left. Gets away from his opponents. And he just whacks it away. Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated. Morrison. Nice control. Played out to the left flank. Cross goes it. Great lead! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the box means it's hard not to pick someone out.
Great shapes to shoot! Great effort, beautifully taken.
That's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
The half-time whistle. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. How would you review the first half?
Well, the goal attempts are coming thick and fast, but so far there's nothing to show for it. I think the manager will be pretty happy with his team's performance. He just needs a little more craft and guile.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. Here we go again then.
Japan playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them.
Pinnock. Moved on forwards. Great defending, strong and determined. Japan looking to pass their way through. Kamada. Duan. He's got the shot away! He's hit it first time.
Listen, I'm not sure he had to go at that first time, but at least he showed some good confidence.
Forwards and with intent. Ito. Now it's Kamada. He's gone for goal! Oh, that is beyond special! A worldie and a half! About as smooth as it gets! And that is the goal we've all been yearning for. You just know there is no stopping that.
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control and couldn't have placed it any better.
So we have our breakthrough.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
Sends it forward. Morrison. It's a good ball and it could be in. And it's played into the middle. And it's hoisted clear. And they can counter here. Move forward and quickly so. Pinnock. It's Johnson. Brown. Bailey. Oh, it's Antonio. And Antonio! Hits off target and by quite a way.
Yeah, but the two that closed them down merit the praise of a job well done.
Endo. Tomiyasu. Kamada is on the end of some really unwanted attention.
Yeah, they didn't smell the danger early enough, but I suppose better late than never.
Great hit! And that's caused a worry or two.
A more than decent attempt, Peter. are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
There's the hit! It's a goal! And there's the goal they've been looking for.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
And he's done it again. He's got his second. Japan get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Antonio, good spot, he's seen the run. Morrison, he can get that clear. Johnson, now looking to orchestrate a counter. Lovely ball into space. He spotted the run and played him through. Kamada. That's very neat. Real chance! And more and more and more. And the lead is 3. It is surely done.
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. Oh, very neat and tidy.
Without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Tries to dink it in. Cleared away. Aimed in towards the centre. Endo. Played out wide into space. Nicholson. Antonio! It's in! Oh, a goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
Well, most of those go high and wide because of their difficulty. He made it look like he does it every day.
Jamaica give themselves a fighting chance, back in with a shout. Doan. Now it's Doan. Now here's the delivery. Oh, well played, well played. Johnson. They've switched it over to the other side. Moved on forwards. Bailey has crossed into the middle. Yoshida attempts a clearance. Nagatomo shifted upfield. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Pinnock with a definite fell there. Spread out to the left. Nicholson goes on a run down the left wing. And he's in a really good position here now. And that's a good intervention. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Out towards the flank. That's good play. Oh, it's played into the area. Up to meet it! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Well, it really shouldn't be allowed to happen again. It needs to be dealt with at source.
Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Well timed, excellent interception. Doan. Fiddles it through. Doan is in a really good position out wide. Endo to Kamada, and it's Nagatomo. Nagatomo delivers. And it's been taken short. And it's Nagatomo. Stitch defending, but that'll do. Now it's Doan. Hit into the middle. Hurls himself at it! And oh, he's got that completely wrong.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Endo. Doan. Pinnock. It's run loose here. And they're back on the ball again. And it's Morrison. Oh, he's picked out the runner. Can he finish? Oh, that probably deserved better.
Antonio really had to do more with such a good ball. It goes down as avoidable waste.
And it's played forward. Nagatomo. Ito. Played out towards the right wing. No, that's been intercepted. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Out to the left it goes. Lovely feet. Nagatomo. Kamada now on a hat-trick. Endo. And Nagatomo. In comes the delivery. Here comes the corner. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur.
Yeah, it's about time I think we saw some activity from the bench, but it's debatable as to what level of impact can be made from here. It's pretty late.
Oh, that's well spotted. Duan. That's really well controlled. Oh, he's found support out wide. Gets good distance on it. And it's been taken straight back. Has a goal! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Doan simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Kamada plays it short. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Chooses to go back. Crossed in again. Gets up to head it! And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss. It's Antonio. Rocks it out wide. And the ball is out of play. There's going to be another change here.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
No, he's taken off it. That's really well played. Long ball out to the right. Can he get onto this? They've played it short. Chance to shoot now. Shot a goal! Nagatomo. Oh, he's had it nicked away from him. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick. He's gone direct. Oh, he's pulled off a fine save.
Absolutely terrific, terrific reflexes. Goalkeeping at its very best.
There's the shot! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Kamada. Endo. Good ball over the... And the shot! He's got a goal! Simplicity itself.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Jamaica making consecutive changes here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
It's starting to look like a done deal now. Powell. Ah, he's fizzed it forward. Oh, that's a clever-looking ball. And the pass is intercepted. Pinnock. And that